I'm really happy. Yeah, happy as a child. My name is Edwin Lammertink. I live here in the east side of the Netherlands. I founded this company about 25 years ago. I started in the Porsche dealership as a student mechanic, and my first training I did by Porsche, and you see it in the little red book, in '86. And Porsche kept me in those days and never left me. Well, it's a customer journey. Customers are coming here with a specific wish. Normal workshops, I don't think they go so far as we do. And for example, if you go and you come here with a specific wish, we're trying to make you fulfill your wish. Actually, that's the way we do, and nothing is going too far. It's just a challenge for us, and a wish to make a wish come true for you. Every piece what we work on came through our hands, and we give it a special treatment actually. If it's the interior, or it's the engine, or the gearbox, or this suspension system, whatever, everything, it became a real makeover. Well, Branko does the ordering, and I make a wish list for the parts I need, and Branko is talking to you guys, and actually it's going very perfect. Delivery is right on time, we are happy with it, prices are good, fantastic. Young people, fanatic, and I'm the oldest one. Well, that's one of our first improvements we did on the 964 base. The Targa was just a bit of a challenge, you know, and Targa is a little bit a weak body, and with such a big engine, to get the right suspension on it, the right gear settings, the right performance of the engine, etc. The circle must be round, and that's actually, it was a big challenge. And I think you felt the car, and you had an, I think, how should I say, maybe you felt it like a little panic attack. That's the first 4-liter. It had some special ported heads, and you saw the throttle bodies. We made our own throttle bodies on it, our own motor management system. And I think the circle is round. It works. Well, in the future, working with Design 911, it's like a family, it's like a team. The more you do together, the more you get friends, as long as you send beer. And well, I'm looking forward in the future, actually. The audience, where's the audience?